Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are a social distancing free space for today. I think everybody is, if you're here wanting to get away from the news, you're in the right place. We are just gonna pour and have a good time. Except one point. I am pretty much out of Floetrol, and apparently I shouldn't be going to Lowe's. So I did have some pouring medium. I'm almost out of that also, but I had some ordered a few days ago, so hopefully I will at least have that to pour with. So these are all mixed with pouring medium, a little water, and my Spot On treadmill belt lubricant. This is my favorite silicone. I do have a hair product I've used that I really, really like as well that has dimethicone in it. That stuff is awesome too. I don't know which one it is. I happened to get it from, I don't know where I got it. I don't know. It's not a brand I normally use. And it doesn't matter. If you need some and you have some hair product that has dimethicone as like the first or second hair ingredient, you can use that. So I'm doing some bright, fun spring colors with some silver because that's the kind of mood I'm in today. I am ready for spring. It is rainy and cold. So I think I'm just gonna do a flip cup. I don't usually use, I use pouring medium mostly for other types of pouring and fluid art, so I don't think I've used pouring medium as an actual pouring medium this way with silicone and such in a while. So anyway. Not that it makes that much of a difference usually. I should have used some black. That would have been really pretty. That one seemed a little bit thick. I don't know. Am I off my game? I get a little full of myself with the, oh, I don't need to check my consistency. Usually I can test by feel, but this isn't doing much in the cup, so we'll see. I also haven't slowed down yet. Sometimes I pour better when I let my brain slow down, and I haven't done that yet, so. All right, ready? Flip cups with sound effects. Always helps, guys. We're gonna flip. Flip. I think I'm gonna put some, let me make sure this is in camera. I have to stand up for that. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of, oh, we could have done a floating cup on the canvas just to get it going. Ready? Bloop. Ooh, torch. I have my torch here. Ooh, pretty cells. Turn my torch on. Get some pretty cells here. Ooh, lots of cells. I don't have any cardboard, I don't think. We're gonna use this. Help it get to the corner. Sometimes I use cardboard, but if you use a stick, you can wow, I do know how to talk. You can kind of help draw it down. That's a pretty corner. I hope oops, is it in there? That's a pretty corner. I hope that kind of stretches a pretty way because I like the way that looks. Silver under the colors is really pretty. A swipe would be pretty over a silver because that looks really neat. Okay. Here we go. Time to get my hands dirty. Last quarter. So a couple weeks ago, I went to a, oh, I really kind of like this. A scrub shop, where they sell scrubs for nurses and such. This was before the outbreak, so don't, oh, it did get a little wonky here, didn't it? Over tilted a little bit. Boop. And got like a medical jacket thing for when I pour. It's like a Mr. Rogers thing. I can change my clothes, put this on, and it doesn't matter if it gets paint all over it. so I don't have to change my shirt every time I want to pour. Okay, that got kind of wonky. Ooh, pretty sick. I apologize for those of you who are thinking, what is she's just going on and on. I need to slow my brain down. Okay, but it did get kind of wonky here. I like, kind of, well, wonky is the wrong word, zigzaggy. And kind of lost the interest. I'm going to do some close-ups. I do love this color. So I do think a swipe over silver with some of these bright colors would be really pretty, because instead of just being silvery, it looks kind of, I don't know. Oops, look, I'm not in view. All right, let's do some close-ups. Isn't that pretty? I love that. Might have to do some close-up pictures of that to keep. Now I could fiddle with this. That might be fun to see what else I could do. But I think I'm gonna leave it, because I don't know, I kind of like this light area down here, and it's a little darker right here. I think if I had mixed a little bit of black and added just a little bit of black to it, it would have popped a little more. And maybe those of you watching, since I was kind of more concerned about getting the paint to the edge, which is a mistake you'd think I would know how not to do by now, give me a timestamp of when you think I should have stopped, because I'm going to have to go back and rewatch when this wonkiness really happened. Or maybe you like it. You'll let me know that too. But if you would have stopped somewhere and like filled in the corner with some paint, let me know. I love hearing that. It doesn't bother me at all if you would have been like, you should have stopped at such and such a time. Because it really is a different experience watching the art and creating the art. So anyway, let me know. This was a super quick pour, so I hope that gave you a super quick break from life today. And as always, guys, happy pouring.